Tutorial how to get a new crown. Just go in this area and you will see the seashell, and then you must click it. And then go to the TTI logo and jump. And then you will see this, find the seashells. Just click in there. Here you go. And the second one is in here. Just go in here. And then you will click these seashells. You have it. You will go back to the detail logo. And the third one in the third seashell is in the beach. Go there and you will see this seashell and click it, and it will pop it to your hand. And go to the TTI logo again. And then it will pop up. Wait for 5 minutes and you will claim the TTI crown. Just wait for 15 minutes. And then it's 5 minutes. I'm here and you will go in this area. Go back to the day logo and it say click top and you will get the crown. That's so easy. Bye guys.